I want it. Give it to me. My mom says I should have everything I want because I'm a star.
Don't cry, Mia. Some people have a lot of money, but they have very small hearts.
Dad's package finally arrived. He promised it would get here in time for your birthday. Is it really from him, Leo? From all the way across the ocean?
It sure is, sweetie. He called this morning to make sure you opened it today.
Can I, Mama? I want to see what's inside.
Go ahead, Mia. It's your special day.
Oh. It's beautiful. It's so pink and shiny. Listen to that. Dad said this isn't just a toy. It's a real instrument.
He wants you to play a song so he can hear it when he comes home.
I'm going to practice every day. I'll be the best player ever. Come on, little musician. Let's head out to the front porch. The light is better there. Yes! Let's go show the sun my new guitar.
Stay on the porch where I can see you, okay? And remember to be very gentle with it.
Don't worry, Mama. I've got her. Ready, Mia? Ready!
They look so happy. I hope this birthday stays this perfect. So this is the house? I've seen bigger closets in my villa. Oh. Hello, Sarah. I didn't hear you knock. Knocking is for strangers. I'm your superior neighbor. Is this real wood? It looks quite cheap. It's a family heirloom. Would you like some tea? Tea? In a house like this? No, thank you. I only drink premium coffee from porcelain cups. Well, I have these mugs. My children painted them for me. They are very special. Special? They're an eyesore. And this sofa, is that polyester? It's a tragedy for the neighborhood's reputation. It's comfortable for my family. That's all that matters to me. Here, I brought you some leftovers from my party last night. Since you probably can't afford quality food, I thought I'd be charitable. That's... Ow, Kenechivliska. Thoughtful of you, Sarah. But we have fresh food. Don't be ungrateful. It's hard to find high society kindness these days. By the way, who chose this wall color? It's so working class. I chose it. It makes the room feel warm. It makes the room feel poor. You should hire a decorator if you want to fit in here. We are very happy with what we have, Sarah. Was there a reason for your visit? I'm just making sure my Toby isn't getting bored. He's outside with your kids, isn't he? Yes, they are on the porch. Leo is showing him the new ukulele Mia got for her birthday. A ukulele? Toby doesn't play with cheap wooden toys. I need to go out there before your kids teach him how to be common. Common? Ugh. She really is a piece of work.
Hey! Why is that guitar so small? And why is it pink? Pink is for babies. It's not a baby guitar, Toby. It's a ukulele. It was a birthday gift from my dad. I want it. Give it to me. You can look at it, Toby, but please don't touch. I don't care. I want to play it now. No. Stop. You're pulling too hard, Toby. Let go. My mom says I should have everything I want because I'm a star.
Toby, let go right now. You're gonna hurt Mia.
Ha! I got it. It's mine now. Give it back. Please, it's my favorite thing. Twang. Look at me. I'm much better at this than you. That's enough, Toby. Give it back to my sister before you break it. No way. It's too good for a girl like her. I'm taking this home. Mama! Help! Toby is stealing my gift. Cry all you want. You're just a crybaby. Give it back. Get off me! Mom! Help! They are being mean to me.
Oh! What is going on? Toby, darling. What a beautiful musical instrument you have there. Sarah, please tell your son to give that back. It's Mia's birthday gift from her father. Toby, do you like it? Does it make you feel like a star?
Yes, Mom. It's way better than my toys. I want to take it home.
No, you cannot take it home. Mia hasn't even played it yet. Don't be so dramatic, Lily. My Toby is very talented. He is just borrowing it for a few days to practice.
But he was being mean. He snatched it from her hands.
Quiet, boy. Adults are talking. Lily, your daughter is too young for this. It's better in Toby's hands. This isn't about talent, Sarah. It's about respect. Give it back now.
We're leaving. Toby, hold it tight. Don't let it touch the ground. Mom, do we really have to give it back in a few days?
Of course not, sweetie. They are weak. If we keep it, they won't do anything. It's yours now.
That's my guitar. Mama, do something.
Sarah, if you walk away with that, you are teaching your son to be a thief. It's not stealing, Lily. It's redistributing to someone who actually matters. Goodbye. Don't cry, Mia. Some people have a lot of money, but they have very small hearts.
Look at me, Mom. I have the best toy in the world, and they have nothing.
That's right, darling. You look like a little prince with that instrument.
I'm gonna throw it as high as the trees.
Be careful, Toby. Those stone tiles are very expensive. Don't trip on...
Whoa, it's cold.
Whoa!
My bag! My limited edition designer bag! It's covered in mud! My dress is ruined. This silk cost thousands of dollars. Everything is dirty and disgusting.
Mom, the pink guitar? It's broken in half.
I don't care about that cheap wood, Toby. Look at my shoes. They are soaked. This is a disaster.
Oh no! Mama! Look at Sarah and Toby. They are covered in mud. And the yard is a disaster. The water is everywhere.
Sarah? Are you okay? That was a very bad fall. Stay away! This is all because of your cheap toy. It brought bad luck to my house.
Mom, stop it. The guitar is broken, and my knee hurts so much. Here, Toby. Take this. It will help your knee feel better.
Why are you helping him? We stole your gift and broke it.
Mama says we should always be kind, even when others are mean. My poor ukulele. It doesn't sing anymore.
Don't cry, sweetie. Dad is very good at fixing things.
And I will help him. We can make it look like new, Mia.
I am so sorry. I will buy you a new one, Mia. A very expensive one. We don't need a new one, Sarah. We just want you to understand that people are more important than expensive things.
It's okay, Toby. You can come to my house and listen to the music when it's fixed.
Thank you, Mia. You are a very special girl. Thank you for being with us in today's English learning video. We hope you enjoyed our story.
Before we go, let's test your memory with a quick question. What color was Mia's new ukulele? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your answer. We also want to know, what is one new vocabulary word you learned today? My favorite lesson today is that being kind is the most important thing. Always share your sunshine with others.
Exactly, Mia. We hope these stories help you improve your English skills every day. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Amazing work today. You stay until very end and finish the whole story in English. Your brain is growing and your skills are getting stronger every single minute. You should be very proud of yourself. Did you notice when Lily said the word expensive in English, we say something is expensive, it means it costs a lot of money, like Sarah's handbag. But remember what Lily taught us, the best thing in life, like kindness and family, don't cost anything at all. Keep learning and practicing a little bit every day. Your English is getting better and better. I'm so happy to be part of your journey. See you in the next English adventure. Bye for now.